Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. On today's video, I'll be guiding you through the schedule appointment feature within our HMIS, a tool designed to eliminate the stress of managing appointments, streamline your workflow, and ultimately enhance the patient experience. I will be walking you through everything from setting up a new appointment, editing existing ones, to handling cancellations and managing recurring visits. The appointment schedule feature is arranged in order from the first to the last appointment. Also, you'll see inactive appointments, meaning that they are cancelled. Let's start by booking an appointment. Search for the patient who is Nathan. Here we go. Next, we'll have to add a reason, which is a prescription refill. And then select the date for the appointment, which I'll choose next week. For the comment, I'll add half dosage because it's an appointment refill, so he'll come for the rest next time. So there you'll see that the appointment is booked successfully. In case you want to edit the details, just click on the appointment and then you'll get to see the reschedule button. And on there you can get to now change any detail or even change the date. In this case, I'll change the date. And just like that, the appointment reschedule was successful. To cancel an appointment, you can still click on the appointment and you'll get to see the appointment status drop down and select the cancelled. It will automatically update and the appointment, you can see it's become inactive. Also, if you want to change it back, you can just select back and book. The appointment is updated. For a recurring appointment, you're going to click on the reschedule and add another button. And on there, you're going to see the exact module with the same inputs, and then you're just going to fill in again with the details of the new appointment schedule. Again, you're going to select the reason as the prescription refill, and then select the third week, and then comment, I'll just put the checkup. And just like that, the appointment is rescheduled successfully. In a case where you want to book an appointment while the patient is still in the medical room, I'm going to open an encounter to demonstrate that. So in the patient encounter, you're going to see the appointment schedule, and on there you're going to see the book appointment button and click on it. Once you click on it, you're still going to see the exact same module that we were filling previously in the schedule feature. And once you fill in the credentials, the appointment is going to be scheduled and will appear on the schedule listing. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.